In this video, we're going to learn to use the batch converter, and that can be used to convert one or more embroidery formats into multiple embroidery formats. And so when you click on this tool, a special professional interface opens up that allows you to select a source folder, to select a destination folder, and those can be the same folder or they can be different folders. And if you have, let's say, 10 embroidery designs in your source folder and you choose multiple formats, it will make all of the copies for you at one time. And so let's just take a look at this. Before I use the tool, I'm actually going to open up my design finder. I'm going to browse to my documents where there's a folder called From Trevor, and it has what looks like about 6 or 8 different embroidery designs in there. And so we're going to work with this folder. And so when I click on the batch converter, notice that I've already selected with the little button on the side, the documents and From Trevor folder. And so we're going to use the same source folder as the destination folder. Just know that you can change the destination folder if you want to, be organized and have them in different folders. But inside of the source folder, I have Floriani WAF files. And now I want the program to make me a PES copy, a JEF copy. Let's make an HUS copy. We could make PCS, DST. How about a Singer and an EXP? And these are all different formats that we could make, VP4. And I'll stop right there. Those are all of the embroidery formats that I can easily convert to. And when I click on the convert, it will start. You do have options like include subdirectories or overwrite existing files if they already exist. Save in the source folder, rotate to fit the maximum hoop size if needed. So if you've got designs that will only fit if they're rotated and the program knows that, it will do it. So all of these are extra options that you can choose. But once I click convert, it begins to work, and as you can see, it goes very quickly. And each design, I get a full report of which formats were created and whether it was successful, or if there were any failures, it would all be here in my little report. And so I can see that it all went very well and it has finished. And so I can close this. And if I want to do more batch converting, I can go ahead. Otherwise, I can close the batch converter. And then just to kind of follow up, I'll click on the design finder and notice that in the folder Designs from Trevor, there are now multiple copies of the bird and multiple copies of the bunny and multiple copies of the butterflies, all copied by the batch converter and made into the folder that we chose. And so that is a professional tool that would be used to convert a small batch or a large batch of one embroidery format into one or more other formats. And so this video has been all about using the Floriani batch converter.